Yeah, so this is like the Indian side. Like I said, a lot of crafty work here, like made with the hands and beautiful stuffs. So beautiful. Like, oh my god, wow. Hi guys, how are you? You're welcome once again to my channel. Yes, I know it's been some days. I've been so busy with one or two things. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm back for you. And yes, today I want to show you the Central Market. I want to give an honest review of this Central Market. It's called Pasar Seni Central Market right here in Malaysia. And it was founded in the year, guess, 1888. I'm sure my grandparents were not around. I don't know the great grandparents. Wow, wonderful, right? So just sit back, enjoy this video. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you like it. I know you like it. And make sure you click the subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Okay, let's go inside and see what is in this wonderful historical Central Market. Okay, let's go to the market and see. Just opposite the market are some beautiful malls and you know, a lot of wonderful places. You can see how the road is so cool. It's evening time here, and yes, it's really a beautiful scenery. And also there's a train station very close to this place. Actually, it's an LRT train station. I'm going to show you guys clearly. It's called LRT Pasar Seni. Can you see the train? I wanted to show you guys the train. Okay, yeah, so a train station is very close to this place actually. Yes, so it's easy to locate this place. Just when you're coming, you come with the LRT train, like I showed you, very close there, and just stop at the LRT train station and come out straight. You can be able to locate this Central Market. Okay, so this is the parking spot. Here I think they have different prices for, depends on what you want to do, how you want to park. But I think the list is around 2 ringgit for subsequent hour. For the first hour you have to pay 3 ringgit and then a flat rate of 5 ringgit. And you need to know that if you misplace your ticket, you have to pay a penalty of 30 ringgit. Yeah, so that's about the parking in this Central Market Pasar Seni. Okay, so it was constructed in 1888 and 1889 to serve Kuala Lumpur's large tin mining community. It was a wet market which sold seafood, meat, vegetables and everyday items. Wow. And yeah, they have renovated the market a lot of times, and a lot of extension of millions of Malaysian ringgit to cater for Kuala Lumpur's growing population. But you can see today the market is so beautiful, and I'll take you inside so you can see what is really in this market. We are inside now and it's like so beautiful. This one is called Little India. So I don't really know what's Little India, but it looks so pretty. Like, there are a lot of beautiful shops and you can come here and get anything related to India, I think. Yeah, so I just want to go around and see the beautiful things. Wow, these are Andy crafts. That's they made with the hands, and very nice, beautiful. Oh my god, so nice. Hi. So these are crafts made with hand, or what? Okay. Tickets. They have beautiful Indian dresses also, and I think everything here. The beautiful thing about here is like it's made with a hand. You understand? So it's, and you said, okay, let me get the name of your shop. Unique Art of Erna.
This is the homemade.
Homemade.
Handmade, sorry.
Handmade. Okay, like handicraft. Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay.
All the handmade.
When did you start your store? 1984. 90. Of course, definitely. Oh wow, great. But this market was 1888.
Yes.
And were you born in 1888? Malaysia own is the Ayo, right? Malay. Ayo. Then what Malaysian is what? Ado. Oh. Alama. Oh. So thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Okay. Beautiful place. So yeah. Oh sorry. J and K collection. They sell, I think, footwears, beautiful footwears, as you can see. So if you come here, you want footwears, you can just come to this side and yeah. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. Yep. Here, you understand? Yeah, so I'll go out. They also have a part where you can actually get some streets kind of stuff, you understand? So we'll go there now and we're gonna see, okay? Alright. Okay guys, yeah, so let's go to they have like a street market at the other side. So let's go and see what we can get there and buy some things to eat because I'm very hungry now. Yeah, before we call this video to the end, okay? Okay, so yeah, let's go and see what we can get in these streets. And there's still very beautiful things. It's like outside of the Central Market, just by the side, where you can get. Yeah, so now I want to try to take a coconut shake. So let's see what it's gonna do. So this is coconut water. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is the end product of the coconut shake. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so you can see it's so beautiful. They have even restaurants and they have a lot of places where you can buy stuffs. Okay, it's always like loaded. Yeah, just like a Pasar Malam. Pasar Malam is like night market. You understand? Yeah, so this is how the outside look like. I think they close around 9 or 10. I'm not very sure, but it's still looking a little bit lively. Yeah. Okay, I saw some snacks. I think I'm gonna try the snacks. Let me just try the snacks. I think I've tried before. So guys, I want to try the banana. I think it's quite good and soft.
This is pisang goreng.
No, this one salty bread.
So how much is the banana?
Same.
Same. Okay, 3 pieces. So give me 6. Give me 6. 3 pieces is 2 ringgit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
6 pieces, 4 ringgit.
Yes. So 6 pieces 4 ringgit, and it's quite big.